channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Snake is back. The snake is back. So, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much, because you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? What's this?
Why? Why?
So happy to have you back. Today's a really quick video. This is just a quick little show and tell, like, hey, don't sleep on this, on these BH Cosmetics, their travel palettes. So I have 4 of them here. I did get all of these recently, so you can still get them on the BH Cosmetics website. You can also get them from Ulta. Some of these are on sale too, so I just wanted to share that with you really quick. But I'm absolutely in love. These palettes with the square pans, 16 shadow palettes, are amazing. The quality is amazing. Retail for $18, but I got a lot of these on sale, so I would check them out if you haven't. So let's start with, well, this is one of my favorites, but let's start with the one that I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and that is Beautiful in Barcelona. This is the palette here. There's a mirror in there. So let's go ahead and look at the shades. I have this color here called Carnation. I'm also using some of this Dolce, also Exquisite, and then also Spain. I'll just swatch a few, but the colors, I'll swatch some that I don't have on my eyes. The shimmer, look at that orange one. That's Familia. Like, what? The shimmers in here are amazing. I love the mattes. Let's go ahead and look at that blue. Seriously, the blue, it's so pigmented. Blues are so hard to do. The blue is so beautifully pigmented. Let's go ahead and even try this Flamenco down here, which is one of those like blue-green situations. Look at that, so pretty. The quality on this is absurd. Like, for $18, it's absurd, but it's just, they're so beautiful. I have been really getting, I've always kind of liked BH Cosmetics, but I think with these travel palettes, they have really stepped the quality up. So this is Beautiful in Barcelona. Next up is one of my favorites, which is a cool tone situation. This is Love in London. This is the front cover of it. It is, I'm obsessed with cool tone shadows. It's got the mirror in there. I'm obsessed with, look at that Cool Tone Dream. OMG. So let's go ahead and swatch. I've used, as you can see, I've used almost every single color in here, but let's go ahead and, like, this is Palace. Oh, look at that pewter color. The shimmers are just insane. I haven't used this, so let's go ahead and swatch this biscuit color. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look at that. And then let's, so you can see the matte quality. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to swatch this Crumpet right here. They're so buttery and soft. They're so easy to blend. So beautiful. Just a cool tone situation. This one so far is my absolute favorite, and then the Barcelona one's next, but they're pretty much like the same to me. They're just different color stories. I'm really obsessed with cool tones right now, so this is really checking that box for me. Next we have Smitten in Switzerland, which you can see here is the cover of that one. I've used quite a bit in here. I really love these green tones here, and then of course this pewter color right there, and then this orange. So let's go ahead and I haven't used the greens yet, so let's go ahead and swatch the green. This is Mount Rigi, I think it is Rigi. There is that really, like, it's got that greenish, like, antique-y situation. Yeah, there we go. And then Mountain is the sort of army green matte, which is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, whoa, whoa. The quality is insane on these. Glacier Express is this pewter color. I'm always, like, obsessed with pewter colors. It does have sort of like a purpley duochrome situation. And then I want to try this Orange Matterhorn to see what the quality is on that one. Wow. Wow. I haven't even tried that yet. Look at that. Woo, woo. Oh, I can't wait to. I gotta put this back. So this one, again, it's probably number 3 in line, but they're all really great. So I don't know how I could choose, really. And then last but not least is the Summer in Saint Tropez. This is a very colorful one. This one I think I got for like $6.80. This is the cover of it. I have not tried this one yet, but this is the color story. So let's go ahead. I want to try in, there's a lot of duochromes in here. Let's go ahead and swatch Exotic and Coastline because they're definitely a duochrome situation. Oh yeah. Wow. And then Coastline. Coastline would probably need a little building up, but I still think it's a really pretty shadow. Coastline's the one on the bottom. Then I want to go ahead and swatch this Super Yacht, which is like a fuchsia color. Wow. Oh, and really? Wow. So gorgeous. Then let's go ahead and let's swatch this Pampaleon, this aqua blue, this Jet Set, which is sort of a not a periwinkle, a poppy seed color, and then this Sizzle, which is a pink with glitter, and then Intoxicating. So let's swatch those and see what happens, because I haven't tried these yet. So what? Seriously, that's one dip into this color Pampaleon. That's insane. Jet Set. These are so soft and buttery. This is Sizzle, which is a pink with glitters. Wow, I can't wait to use this one too. And then let's see what's going. Intoxicating is a very light yellow, so I'm interested to see. Very pigmented, very, very, very pigmented. I don't even know if I could necessarily choose. I'm into cooler tones right now, so that's my, like, Love in London's my favorite right now, but I'll be out of cool tones into something else. So that is the final one. So that is the ones that I have from their different travel collections. Some of them are for this year, some of them were from last year, but I just got these, so you can still get these. If you have tried any of these or ones that I didn't mention and you want to share, go ahead and put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!